Hello everyone, welcome back to the JF Geo Academy YouTube channel. So it is our geochemistry lecture 5. Geochemistry lecture 5. So in this lecture we will discuss numerical questions of GATE and IIT JAM only. Okay. So here the question is to find the concentration of parent nuclei after 3 half-life if the original concentration of parent nuclei is 64 atoms. So first of all you have to see what data he has given. So the data is given is there are 3 half-life and 64 atoms. So here n is equal to number of half-life is 3 and concentration of parent nuclei is 64. So so you have to calculate P. So therefore P will be equal to P naught divided by 2 to the power n. Okay, you have to calculate P. So P naught is 64 divided by 2 to the power 3. 64 divided by 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8. So concentration of parent nuclei is 8. Now another question is find the concentration of 1200 atoms after 4 half-life. So 1200 atoms, this is P naught and 4 half-life, this is n. So P naught is 1200 and n is equal to 4. Now just put the formula. P naught is equal to P divided by 2 to the power n. So P is equal to P naught divided by 2 to the power n. So P naught 1200 divided by 4 to the power 2 to the power 4. So 1200 divided by 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So 12 by 6 1 1200 by 16. So it will be equal to how much? 75. 75. So the answer will be 75. So P will be equal to 75. This is your answer. Now question number 5 is find the concentration of parent nuclei after 7 hours. If the half-life is 2 hours, assuming that concentration of daughter nuclei is 1031. So here we have to calculate the concentration of daughter nuclei. Okay. Here we have the concentration of parent nuclei, that is P. So P we have to calculate. Total time span is 7 hours and half-life is 2 hours and the concentration of daughter nuclei is 1031. So you know the formula, n is equal to 7 by 2 total time span divided by 2. So it will be equal to 3.5, 7.5. Okay, 7 divided by 2 hours, so it will be equal to 3.5. Okay. Now we have to calculate P. So before calculating P, we have to calculate D. Okay. So D will be equal to, you know the formula, P naught minus P naught divided by 2 to the power n. Here concentration of daughter nuclei is 1031. P naught we have to calculate and common 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. Now 1031 is equal to P naught. Now P naught 2 to the power n minus 1 whole divided by 2 to the power n. Now 1031 is equal to P naught. Here to n is equal to 3 point something 2 minus 1. So equal to 1031. By solving this, it will be equal to 10.1031 divided by 11.31. Okay, P naught. So now P naught, you can find out 1031 into 11.31 divided by 10.31 and it will be equal to 1031. Now remaining parent P naught minus D divided by, so it will be equal to 100. So remaining parent will be 100. So concentration of parent nuclei will be 100. Now Question number 6 is that how long it will take for 40 grams apple iodine 131 and half life is given 8.040 days to decay to 1 by 100 of its original mass. So here P naught is 40 gram. So you can calculate P naught is 40 gram. P is here and P is equal to P naught divided by 100 because 1 by 100. Now P it is equal lambda t is equal to P naught. Now lambda t is equal to log 10 P naught by P. So now what we do, here t is equal to log 10 P naught by P. So lambda t is equal to this much. Now t is equal to log 10 P naught by P into divided by lambda. Now t is equal to log 10. The value of P naught is 40 and P naught is 40 and P naught P is equal to 40 by 100. It will be equal to log 10 100 okay by 0.08619. Now t will be equal to 2 divided by this will be equal to 40 by 100 divided by lambda. The value of lambda is 0.08619. Okay, now t will be equal to log 10 100 divided by 0.08619 and which is equal to t is equal to 2 divided by log 10 100 is equal to 2 divided by 0.08619 which will equal to 23.20. This is your answer. Okay, so our time t is equal to 23.20 day. Okay, because we are asking how long the time will take in hour. This is hour. So stay. This is the end of the lecture. In the next class, we will discuss other numericals. And now subscribe our channel. Stay tuned with the channel. Now, thank you for your patience.